Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, today I have a 2020 KTM Super Duke 1290 GT, and I'm just going to look over some of the features and also show you how the bike sounds when started. Now, this is a standard model, this is how it comes out of the factory. As you will see, it's got the standard exhaust on there, and it comes with Pirelli Angel GT tyres, full Brembo braking system. As you'll see in the heart of the bike, we have the beautiful 1290 V-twin engine. We've got front and rear WP shock absorbers and suspension, which does have electronic dampening on this model. See, it's sort of got an evil look to it. It's a fun bike to ride. With the bike, it is a keyless ignition, which just uses this fob. However, there is also a key hidden there, just like a car one, just flips out, and that is to get under the seat here. So down there, just pops up. That allows you to take the seat off. Not too much space under there, but there is enough for a wallet and phone, with a rubber strap to hold things in. Down on the left hand side of the bike now, this is where the drivetrain is and also the braking system, obviously it being a single swing arm bike, with a full exposed rear wheel on the right hand side. Okay, so enough about the external of the bike, let's see how she sounds. So press the unlock button there to unlock. And then the start button here. And there we go, that's my video on the 2020 KTM Super Duke 1290 GT. Sorry it was a quick look around, but at least you got to hear it running. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.